Yeah, everyone, how's it going there? I just thought I'd share with you a guitar that I got recently. It is the Jackson SL2 Pro Soloist with a quilted maple top, and the finish is a Winterstorm. There we go. So I just thought I'll run over the specs with you quickly, just play a bit of a song for you in a mix. I'm going to play a little bit of Master of Puppets there for you, and then after that I'll just play along with some isolated tracks in real time so you can hear it for yourself. So yeah, let's start off with the specs. So obviously you've got your nice 6 inline headstock, which is just the classic that a lot of people like, myself included. You've got Jackson diecast tuners. It's made in Indonesia. Going back here, you've got ebony fingerboard with a small piranha style inlays instead of your traditional shark fin ones. Some people don't like it. I personally don't mind. I think it looks cool. If I flip it back over again, you've got the unfinished maple neck with you can see the scarf joint just there. So the other thing I like about it is the neck. You start off with a 12-inch radius here, and it flattens out to a 16-inch radius here. So what that means is if you're playing down here for riffs, chords, anything like that, feel very comfortable in your hands. And then as you work your way up here, and you might be playing some lead work and things like that, then it flattens out, and so you don't fret out. Yeah, it's fantastic. Obviously then you've got the awesome finish on the top there. Might come across it comes across better in real life than probably what the camera's picking up, but it gives you at least a bit of a fair idea. You've got a Jackson, no you don't, you've got a Seymour Duncan distortion pickup and in the bridge, and you've got the same in the neck. You've got a Floyd Rose 1000. This is my first guitar with a Floyd. I've always been maybe a bit skeptical to try them out because I hear they can be pains to set up. But after having this, I'm actually I should have gone to one sooner. I think they're so much fun. I think the only thing is that you got to be probably prepared to keep it to one tuning, and if I'm just keeping this in standard, and I'm really enjoying it, it's great. Flipping it back over again, you've got mahogany, and then of course you've got your neck through. So one of the things so I'll go over some of the points that I really like in this guitar. One of them being is the neck. I think it's probably one of the most comfortable necks I've ever played. This is my second Jackson guitar that I've had, and yeah, I think just the unfinished necks are just something I never tried in the past. They were always just gloss finish sort of stuff, but I really enjoy this. I think it's an awesome neck to have. Just of course upper fret axis, rather than a bolt-on. I think you can make great bolt-on guitars, but I love the neck through design. And I think the distortion pickup sounds great. You'll hear that for yourself in the mix, just see if you like it or not. Some of the things that maybe to look out for, I just thought I'd show you. One thing I think is a bit strange is just where the finish of the neck meets the unfinished part. There's almost like this clear coat here, so there's probably like some person put a sticker or something like that to differentiate them in the factory. I don't really know, but I don't really care. It's just something to point out with you. There is a couple of small dents. It'll be pretty hard to show you on the camera. I'll put a photo up and let you see what they look like. It's above the 7th fret, and it looks to be another one maybe about the 18th fret. Again, something I don't really care about, but of course, if you're paying your good money, definitely something to point out. So I would just say, if you are considering one, and if you've got the opportunity, I would recommend having a look at the guitar first that you're trying out before you buy it, if that's possible, of course. So yeah, anyway, enough of my babbling. I'll hear what it sounds like in the mix, and then I'll just play you some isolated tracks. Cheers. Right, now I'm on the bridge pickup. Both pickups together. Cool. Bridge pickup. See how we go. Stays in tune.